Yes, I have been MIA, and I have been working like a dog. Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video from Ronnie. I am from the Sunshine State of Florida. Thank you. Yes, I have been MIA. It has been 6 months, and I have been working like a dog, but I enjoy what I do. And I love my business. So I'm not going to be very long. I just wanted to come on just to say hello, everybody. Hello to my subscribers. Thank you all so much for hanging in there with me. I am back, and I just want to give you all a synopsis of what I've been doing and where I have been. So after the first of the year, I had been working for like 2.5 years, and I took a long vacation, much needed vacation, and I had a wonderful time. So when I came back, I got back into it and started just working and building my business. And I hope that you all have been doing the same thing. Now, for those of you that you're a notary, you are a notary signing agent, you are a Ron, you are whatever. I hope that you all have taken the next step on your journey. Entrepreneurs, of course, we have to work harder to build our business and to make it successful. And hats go off to all of you that are doing that. But also just know that sometimes you do have to take a break, take a vacation, take a rest, relaxation, and just enjoy you. So what I have that's exciting, I am really excited about what I have to tell you all. And again, I'm gonna make it brief. So a while back, maybe a year or two, I said that something was gonna be going up the pipeline instead of down the pipeline. So I am planning a notary workshop, and it is in the works now. And of course, I will make the announcement soon. I will give you all the save the date and all the information that you will need to register if you would like to attend. And I'm just excited about it. I have my notary team that is on board. Of course, I'm on board. I'm excited. And basically, it is going to just shed light on how to become a good notary, a good notary signing agent, and just basically build your business and just be happy about it, okay? Whether you're part-time, whether you're full-time, whether you're from down south or up north or somewhere in between, this workshop is going to be awesome. And so that's what I have been working on. And of course, this is hurricane season in Florida, but I am going to continue to hit that notification. And when signings come my way, I am going to go and get it. Now, we have sellers packages, buyers packages, purchasers packages. We have the HELOCs, we have the refis, we have the debt settlements, we have the structured settlements, we have the deed of trust. We have so much. I even did a divorce document package the other day. I've done a few adoptions here at the hospitals in my county. And so I'm just getting a wide variety. And this is what I like about it. I have witnesses. I'm talking about like good witnesses in place where whenever I need 2 witnesses or 1, They are always available, and so I'm excited for them as well. They are a part of my planning team, and I'm just so excited. So I hope that you all are happy to see me. I am happy to do this video, and I appreciate those subscribers that are still hitting that dial. Even though I have not made any recent videos, I am back, and I am alive, and I am well. So that is it for right now. I will be back to give you all more information about the upcoming workshop. I'm excited, and I hope that you are too. So if you all have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can send me your email address. I will send you a postcard. You can send me your mobile number. I will send you a postcard. And if you want to give me a call, that will be fine as well. So again, I am Ronnie. I am with Notadoc. That is NOTEADOC.com. Okay, my email address is notadoc@yahoo.com. Okay, and so that is it for right now. I told you I was going to keep it short. I'm right up under 5 minutes, and I'm excited, and I'm going to do just that. So have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week, no matter what time you're watching this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe if you are watching this video for the first time. And don't forget to hit the like button. Please do share, especially to those notaries and those notary signing agents who are in Florida. And don't forget to turn on your bell so that you will not miss my next video. Bye.